good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is multiplication, and today I am going to teach you word problem in multiplication. Okay children, now see, I have written few sums here or few statement here. See, there are 380 apples. How many apples are there? 380 apples on one tree, on a tree, means there is a one tree and it has 380 apples itself. Okay, so now this is the first statement. Understood this statement? Now we will go to another statement, now sentence. Now see, question is how many. When this word will come now, how many, you have to multiply. Okay, how many apples are there on two trees? Okay, one tree has 380 apples. Now the statement, this question is saying you just find out the two trees apples, like total apples. Two trees, how many apples have two trees? Okay, so what we will do, we will multiply, we will repeated addition, like 380 plus 380. So what we will do, we will multiply. In short form we will do multiply, and we will multiply by 2 because there are two trees. Okay children, now see, the first statement will be, first we will write first line, there are 380 apples on a tree. How many apples are there in one tree? 380. So the first statement will be number of apples on a tree. Number of apples on a tree. How many are there? 380. Okay children. Now the second sentence is how many apples are there on two trees? Now we have to find out two trees, the total number of apples on a two trees. Okay, so the second statement will be two trees, it will be trees, two trees have apples. How many? 380 multiplied by 2. Okay, so we will do vertical operation, vertical multiplication. See, we will write like this, 380 multiplied by 2. Okay, and now see, 380. So first we will cut or sum one's house. So what is the one's house? 2 multiplied by 0. Children, always remember, when the multiplicand is 0, the answer will be 0. Okay, so the 0, then we will solve the tens house. 2 8s are 16. Okay, so what we will do, we will write 6 ones here and tens will go in hundreds house. Okay, now see, the next we will cut or we will solve the hundreds house. 2 3s are 6, or 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, this is 7. So the answer will be 760. 760. Though the answer, how we will write the answer? Again we will write the A and S, that is answer. Before the margin we will write. Okay children. So the statement will be, the answer will be total apples on two trees are 760. 760. So we will write like this. Okay, this is the first statement. The second statement, we will solve the sum and then we will write the answer. I hope you have understood. Now we will do next another example. See, there are 52 toffees in one packet. one packet has 52 toffees, or one toffee packet has 52 toffees. Now the second statement, the second sentence is how many, you have to count it, how many toffees are there in 3 packets. Now there are 3 packets and each packet has 52 toffees. So how we will write this? Let's see. Number, first statement will be the first sentence. Number of toffees in one packet. Number of toffees in one packet, that is 52. Okay children. Now the second sentence is, it is asking the question, how many toffees are there in 3 packets? So we will write the second statement, toffees in 3 packets. Toffees in 3 packets. Now we will multiply 52 multiplied by 3 because there are 3 packets. Okay, so we will do this operation again, multiply, we will multiply this 52 multiplied by 3. Okay, so first we will cut or we will solve 1's house, 3 2's are 6. Okay, now next is 10's house, 3 5's are, 3 5's are, yes, it is 15. So the total toffees are 156. 156. So the 52 multiplied by 3, the product will be, the answer will be 156. So how we will write the answer? First we will write the ANS, answer. Total toffees in 3 packets are 156. So 3 packets contain 156 toffees. Okay children, so I hope you have understood this. The statement, when the how many, this word will come, you have to multiply. Okay, so please be careful, do the sums and do practice at home. I hope you will understand that. Okay, take care, bye bye, God bless you all.